Dragonfly. Dragonflies are insects belonging to the order Odonata, which also includes damselflies. They are characterized by their long, slender bodies, large eyes, and two pairs of transparent wings that are held outstretched when they are flying. Dragonflies are also known for their brightly colored bodies, which often feature intricate patterns and designs. Dragonflies are found all over their world, and they are particularly common near bodies of water such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. They are predatory insects, feeding on other insects such as mosquitoes, flies, and moths. Dragonflies are important in controlling insect populations and are often considered beneficial insects. Dragonflies undergo a complex life cycle that includes an aquatic larval stage and a terrestrial adult stage. The female lays her eggs in or near water, and the eggs hatch into aquatic nymphs that live in the water and feed on small aquatic animals. The nymphs undergo a series of molts as they grow, and after several years, they emerge from the water as winged adults. Dragonflies have been around for millions of years, and they have played an important role in mythology and folklore in many cultures. They are sometimes seen as symbols of strength, courage, and renewal, and they are admired for their beauty and grace. Here are some interesting facts about the life cycle of dragonflies. Number 1. Dragonflies begin their life cycle as eggs laid by the female in or near water. Number 2. The eggs hatch into aquatic nymphs, which are also called naiads. These nymphs have long, slender bodies with gills, for breathing underwater and are active predators. Number 3. As the nymphs grow, they molt several times and shed their exoskeletons. Each molt results in a larger and more mature nymph. Number 4. After several years, the nymphs crawl out of the water and attach themselves to a plant or other surface. Number 5. The nymphs then undergo a final molt and emerge as winged adult dragonflies. Number 6. The adult dragonflies mate, and the females lay their eggs in or near water, completing the life cycle. Number 7. The lifespan of a dragonfly varies depending on the species, but most live for several months to a few years. Number 8. Dragonflies are cold-blooded and are most active during warm, sunny weather. Number 9. The bright colors of adult dragonflies are not caused by pigments but by structural coloration, which is created by the way their wings reflect and refract light. Number 10. Dragonflies are excellent flyers and can fly in all directions, hover in midair, and even fly backwards. Dragonflies face a number of biological challenges throughout their life cycle. Here are some of the main challenges that they must overcome. Number 1. Predation. Dragonfly eggs, nymphs, and adults are all vulnerable to predation by other animals such as fish, birds, and frogs. In order to survive, dragonflies must be able to avoid or escape from predators. Number 2. Competition. As aquatic predators, dragonfly nymphs must compete with other species for food and habitat resources. They must also avoid being cannibalized by larger nymphs of their own species. Number 3. Molting. Dragonfly nymphs molt several times as they grow, which can be a vulnerable time for them. They are soft and exposed during the molt and may be more susceptible to predation or injury. Number 4. Emergence. When dragonfly nymphs are ready to emerge from the water and become adults, they must crawl out of the water and dry their wings. This process can be dangerous, as they are vulnerable to predation and may not be able to fly until their wings have fully hardened. Number 5. Reproduction. Dragonflies must find mates and lay their eggs in suitable habitats in order to reproduce successfully. They may face competition for mates and may also have difficulty finding suitable breeding sites in areas where habitat has been destroyed or altered. Despite these challenges, dragonflies are highly adapted to their environments and have evolved a number of strategies to survive and thrive. Their ability to fly quickly and maneuverably, for example, allows them to escape from predators and find suitable breeding sites.